हेलो पीपल, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। शाम की छोटी बुक के लिए आज मैं बनाने जा रहा हूँ कप्पी पिज़्ज़ा एंड पैन पिज़्ज़ा। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So here are in the ingredients. I have took mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. If you don't have mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese, it is fine. You can use grated cheese or cheese slices. Then oregano, mix veggies of your own choice. Here after capsicum, onions and tomato and pasta pizza sauce. I have used Viva's pasta and pizza sauce. And bread of your own choice, like example like brown bread, sweet bread and milk bread. So now I'm going to start making with tawa pizza. So first I'm going to take one bread slice and add the pizza sauce. So spread the pizza sauce nicely, and then after that put the ghee in the tawa. And then put the breads in the tawa. So now we have to put the veggies. So now put the cheese. Remember, don't let it fall into tawa, otherwise your tawa may get spoiled. So as I have sprinkled the cheese, now put the oregano. So after putting the oregano, cover it for 5 minutes. So now 5 minutes is done. So now check your bread. Wow, look at the beautiful color of the melted of the veggie. So now take it out in a plate. As you can see, this has came out really good. So now I'm going to do it in the uppam pan. It is the same process. So now first we have to cut the bread in a circle shape, and then again spread the pizza sauce. So again take the ghee and put it in the circle place where it is there in the uppam pan, and you have to put a little. Wait. So now we have to take the bread and put it in the middle inside, and take the help of your mother. And now put the cheese. And then the oregano. And cover it for 5 minutes. So now it is done, and turn off the gas. And now take it out in a plate. As you can see, it is ready. And as the pan was hot, I took the help of my mom, and and be careful with it and kindly take help of the elders. And it's ready. Thank you people for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell notification icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get notified. So, see you guys later. Bye.